Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Halloween Dollar Tree DIY for you today. I'm going to be taking one of the little faux burlap bags that they have. I usually find these in the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and I am cutting them in half because basically I just want the faux burlap panels. I also have two of the Dollar Tree signs. These are like the lighter wood frame with the darker wood frame. Doesn't really matter which one you get because I'm actually going to paint it. So I taped off my frames to protect the wood on those, and I'm going over everything with a coat of white. What I want to do is make a set of burlap bat wings to display for fall. I love decorating like with black and white. I find it really classy way to decorate for Halloween without all of the color. So I did have to cover up kind of a dark surface on that. So it did take a couple coats of white acrylic to cover that. And just going to go ahead and remove all my painter's tape. I did have to touch it up a little bit. Painter's tape, definitely not perfect, but I did like the wood frames on these, so I wanted to leave them intact without any paint on those. Now, as you can see, the burlap panel is plenty big to cover most of it, and what I'm going to do is just freehand on a bat wing. It's actually pretty easy. I kind of just put some dots where I wanted the points of my bat wing to be, and then I just connected the dots like that. I'm going to go ahead and cut them out both at once. One will be a mirror image of the other, so I have it like fabric to fabric, and I am just going to hold those together and cut them out together as a set. So now I have a pair of burlap bat wings. I do want them to be black though, but you know what? This faux burlap from the Dollar Tree paints beautifully. So just using some acrylic black paint, I am going all over with just a sponge brush and turning this into black burlap wings. I was inspired by a project I think I saw at Kirkland's for fall with a big price tag, but I loved the idea of bat wings, two different pieces of art that you can hang next to each other. So there's not the actual like bat, it's just the two wings. Now to attach my burlap, it's kind of got like a little bit of a plastic coating on the back of those bags, but it still Mod Podges on pretty well. So I just covered the back of it with Mod Podge. You just have to like, kind of give it some time to dry, but it's set up really well. I just make sure that all of the back of it is covered with an even coat of Mod Podge and lay that on there. Lining up my wings, you'll definitely have to put them side by side so that you get the wings even exactly where they should be. I'm just touching up the paint on my bat wings while they dry, and I love how these turned out. I love the burlap, and so I decided to add even a little bit more burlap texture. This is some of the burlap trim from the Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to use it to line the frame. So you have like the fabric bat wings. You also have the fabric burlap frame. Totally optional. Again, it's about the same color as the wood that was on there, but I thought it just needed one more thing just so it wasn't quite so plain. These look perfect hung together as a set. Really cute, and I love crafting with these Dollar Tree blank signs like this. Let me show you how it turned out. Now, if you'd like more fall or Halloween DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.